Hello, this is Susan Pitcairn, and I'm speaking to you here as we're approaching Christmas Eve 2019. It's a time when we're reminded of how much love we feel for so many friends, family, colleagues, and just people from all over the planet that we think of as we consider the tidings, the meaning of Christmas, the meaning of love, of unconditional love and peace. It's a beautiful time of year, and it also reminds me that at the same time, there are other animals besides the human animal here on the planet who need love. And the numbers are so overwhelming in some ways. Some 60 billion farmed animals are raised every year in mostly very terrible conditions for our appetite, and unnecessarily so. And I think of them each as an individual. Though we can't perceive them that way directly, collectively somehow each is as beloved to us as any dog or cat, as any child or lover. To me, that's the reality. I hope you can see that too. I'd like to read for you a prayer that my husband wrote. He's been a veterinarian for many years. And a few years ago, we both, in honor of animals and in recognition of what's needed for our planet and for them and for our health, we went vegan. Whole food, plant-based, the healthy way. I encourage you to do the same. So this is Richard's prayer to the animals. I am with you, brothers and sisters of fur, feather, beak, and hoof, for we share one life and are one in the heart. To all those caged and confined, may you soon be free. To those that have never seen the sun, may light fill your being. To those that have never touched the earth, your mother will embrace you soon. To those that have lost their child, no solace will suffice. To the child taken from your mother, may you yet know love. To those forced to eat each other, may love become your only nutrient. To our wild cousins that have lost their homes and are leaving this earth, may you find the life you have sought. To those to whom we have intentionally transferred our diseases, we beg forgiveness and pray that we will now keep our problems to ourselves. To those we have killed and eaten in worship to the God of taste, may your sacrifice be seen as our final learning that the greatest pleasure is truly the love we have for each other. May we travel together, brothers and sisters, in peace and harmony, paw in hand, wing on shoulder, tail on arm, to the world of oneness, to the Garden of Eden that we have always known. Many thanks to all of you. We are all doing the best we can. And I hope that in 2020, our vision will be more clear than ever. Blessings.